Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive into how to organize your painting inventory in Airtable. It's a great tool for artists, collectors, and galleries to manage their artwork collections efficiently. To start off, log into your Airtable account and create a new base. Click on the Add a Base button and select Start from Scratch. Name your base something relevant, like Painting Inventory. The reason we do this first step is because it sets up your workspace and allows you to start organizing your paintings. Next up, let's set up the structure of your table. You'll want to add columns for all the information you need to track about your paintings. This could include the painting name, artist, date created, medium, size, and price. Click on the plus symbol on the right side of the table to add a new column and give it a relevant name. You can also select the column type based on the kind of information it will hold. This helps us because it makes sure we have a place for all the important details about each painting. Now that we've done that, it's time to add your painting data. Click on the first cell under each column and start typing in the information. Press Enter to move to the next cell. Remember, the more accurate and complete your data, the more useful your inventory will be. Let me explain why this matters. You want to be able to quickly find and view details about each painting, and having all this information at your fingertips makes that easy. Once you've added all your paintings, you can start making use of Airtable's powerful sorting and filtering features. For example, you could sort your paintings by date created to see your oldest and newest pieces at a glance, or filter by medium to view only your oil paintings. To do this, click on the drop-down arrow next to a column name and choose Sort or Filter. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Airtable is scanning all your data and organizing it based on the rules you set, helping you find the exact information you need. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can create a streamlined, organized painting inventory in Airtable. But remember, this is just the beginning. Airtable has many other features, such as linking records, creating views, and integrating with other apps that you can leverage to further enhance your inventory management. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Remember, the key to a well-organized painting inventory is keeping your data complete, accurate, and up to date. Happy organizing!